Now I am talking about trichomoniasis. Infection with trichomonas in human with Trichomonas vaginalis. It is the most common curable STI. Symptoms. Sign in women include excessive frothy yellowish or greenish vaginal discharge. There may also be swelling of vulva and labia along with painful urination. Symptoms in man may include painful urination with lesion on the penis, but most men with trichomoniasis will have no symptoms. Symptoms in women: itchiness in the genital, a burning sensation in the genital area, a thick yellow, white, grey or green discharge from the vagina, foul smell from the discharge. The discharge would appear to be frothy, pain while urination, pain during sexual intercourse, redness and swelling in the genital area, constant urge to urinate. These symptoms may aggravate during the menstruation cycle. Symptom in men rare: pain during ejaculation, pain and burning sensation during urination, burning sensation during sex along with pain, discharge from the urethra, irritation and itchiness inside the penis, painful swelling in the scrotum, constant urge to urinate. Treatment: trichomoniasis can be treated and cured with antibiotics. It is extremely important to treat partners of anyone with trichomoniasis because reinfection is very common. Considerations: avoid drink alcohol until 24 to 48 hours after finishing treatment, depending on the type of antibiotic prescribed. Trichomoniasis has been linked to the increased risk of HIV acquisition. So I am repeating, trichomoniasis is a very common sexually transmitted disease that is caused by infection with a flagellated protozoan parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis. Infection is more common in women than in men, and older women are more likely than younger women to have been infected. Spread: the parasite is passed from an infected person to an uninfected person during sex. In women, the most commonly infected part of body is the lower genital tract, whereas in the men, the urethra. Infected pupil without symptoms can still pass the infection on to the others. Symptoms: about 70% of infected people do not have any sign or symptoms. Men with trichomoniasis may feel itching or irritation inside the penis, burning after urination or ejaculation, or some discharge from the penis. Women with trichomoniasis may notice itching, burning, redness or soreness of the genitals, discomfort with urination, or a thin discharge with an unusual smell that can be clear, white, yellowish or greenish. Prevention and treatment of trichomoniasis. Having trichomoniasis can make it feel unpleasant to have sex. Without treatment, the infection can last for months or even years. Using latex condoms correctly every time you have a sex with help of reduce the risk of getting or spreading trichomoniasis. Prescribe the drug metronidazole. Sexual partners must be treated simultaneously.